All right, working on this. I think it's a 03. Let's check it out. 2.5. 03. Okay, so it's running a little rough. They got a bad plug, a bad wire, or more likely, compression head gasket issue. I pop this off, get a couple of vacuum caps, or if you don't have any, just cut a small piece of hose, put a screw bolt in the end. Get a front and rear motor on these.
Grab some wires. This is just if you want to save your windshield washer fluid.
$10 mil. This out of the way. Make sure your ground's hooked up. I feel snapped in there all the way. I don't think either of these two are snapped in all the way, so we're gonna try it. I had the fuel blocked off, fuel inlet, coil pack unplugged. Didn't get so lucky. Still shaking around. Still is a mess. And still got the check light. Okay. Back at it.
Nice looking wires on it.
A spark plug socket. Swivels are nice. Locking 6-inch extension. Okay, I'll bust these out and I'll screw this in and I'll crank it over. I'll pull all the plugs out first. What the? Auto light? One auto light plug. Looks like somebody's been in here. Guessing it has a problem with one of these cylinders. And they put a plug in it. But we'll find out. Okay.
Alright, so put the jump box on. Battery's a little weak. And we want to
Disconnect the spark. Lots of compression. I like to pinch off the fuel inlet. I use a little brake hose tool. Some people pull the computer fuse, pull the fuel pump relay, and they're easy to get to. So fuel filter, the line coming off the fuel filter into the motor. Pinch that off. Okay, I don't know, 70 or so. Good compression. Pop that loose. Go to the next one. Okay. Well, it's obviously the problem. Running on 3 cylinders. But we'll continue to do the test. Just double check the gasket on this hose, the gauge, the coupler, everything else is still working good. Battery's getting weak, but it only showed like 140, but $180. And then we'll go back and double check that possible dead cylinder. Nada. Okay. We'll be yanking the motor. Pretty easy. Drain the coolant, drain the oil, take the battery out. We already have this out. Intake's already off. Take the airbox off. Got 3 harnesses over here. Take the power steering pump off, leave it hooked up with the lines. Take the AC compressor off, leave it hooked up with the lines. Pull the radiator. Pull the starter. Undo the bell housing. Drop the exhaust. And yank the motor out. Show you guys how it's done.